Good afternoon, Professor Inouye, President, colleagues, friends, and fellow students. Welcome all of you again to the CTU Distinguished Lecture this afternoon. So today I'm very happy to have invited a world-renowned materials engineer, Professor Akihisa Inouye, to deliver a distinguished lecture at CTU. Professor Inouye is a pioneer in the field of amorphous material and bulk glassy material, and is recognized as the inventor and discoverer of the new class of bulk glassy alloy. And for his contribution in the field, he has won many awards. When I look at the list of awards in his CV, it's several pages. So in the interest of time, I will just cite a few of them. So among them are the National 1000 Invited Talented Scientist Award by the Chinese government in 2012, the Actor Material Gold Medal in 2010, the James C. McGrody Prize for the New Material by the American Physical Society in 2009. He is also honored as an elected member of Japan Academy, front member of the U.S. National Academy of Engineering, the Japan Academy Prize, and the 2003 Kelly Lectures at the University of Cambridge. He has authored over 2,500 publications, and more significantly, he was identified by the Institute of Scientific Information, and that is ISI, as #1 in worldwide ranking of highly cited author publishing scientific paper in material science and engineering journals during 1996 and 2006. And he received the ISI Citation Award for the year 2000. And the total number of citations, when I look at it, is over 50,000, and it's amazing. So before I invite Professor Inouye to the stage, may I invite our President, Professor Koo, to deliver the welcome address.
Professor Inouye and distinguished guests, and ladies and gentlemen, Professor Inouye, on behalf of CTU, we welcome you again. Professor Inouye, there's long items of his accomplishment, but I think instead to go into the traditional green energy, his expertise, sustainable materials, I'd like to have a few quizzes with you. You know City University Hong Kong quite well. Do you know in Asia there are more than 50 countries? There are probably 10,000 engineering schools. Do you know which one is #1 in engineering? Huh? Which one? Tohoku University. You got right, bingo. In Asia, CTU is #2, Tohoku is #1. In fact, nowadays when we give a lecture, you have to speak for the truth because everybody can check the internet. I came back very late last night, like 11 from Kyoto. In fact, it's confirmed. Tohoku is #1, CTU is #2 in Asia engineering. So today, when #1 meet #2, I mean, it's going to be shining. But the difference between #1 and #2 is the president of #1, Professor Inouye, left Tohoku University. The president of City University #2 is still there. So this sequence may be reversed soon. Right? Do you agree? Say yes. But you see, Professor Inouye, the long list of items. But before I conclude, I want to share something with you again. Again, it's all miracles. Because a year ago, I was in Europe. A few days before they announced the Nobel Prize winners. And I was telling people, I said, in the United States, every top 100 university is good. For example, I said, you will not be surprised Nobel Prizes can be given to professors in school like Purdue, Delaware. Just random guess. And second day they announced Purdue got Nobel Prize, Delaware got Nobel Prize. And they thought I was on the committee. I was not on the committee. It's randomly guess. Let me tell you, the most likely person to get Nobel Prize from Japan is Professor Inoue. I say this with proof. I know it's too late to get Nobel Prize in physics. It was announced already. But there's still Nobel Prize in chemistry. We don't know yet. And next year, I know Professor Inoue is very nervous about this. He doesn't get, brag himself about this. But this is a common understanding, by the way. Okay, it's not from me. It's a common understanding in the community. As I say, I came from Kyoto yesterday, and indeed, this is a common understanding. Therefore, it is our honor to have Professor Inoue here. We always invited people here who have been given Nobel Prize. I wish this is the first time we will invite a person here before they receive the Nobel Prize. Our best wishes. Thank you.